I didn't come to Turkey with expectations, but within the first hour, I was standing between two continents, eating the best street food of my life and watching the sun set behind 1,000-year-old minarets. This is not just a country you visit. Turkey is a feeling. And today, I'm taking you with me through the chaos, the beauty, the flavors, and the magic right here on Travel Tribe TV Studio. Let's go. Arrival in Istanbul, where East meets West. The moment I landed in Istanbul, I felt this city moves differently. You hear the call to prayer echo through the air, blending with car horns, footsteps, and seagulls flying over the Bosphorus. I started my journey in Sultanahmet, the heart of old Istanbul. Standing in front of the Hagia Sophia, I was honestly speechless. A building that has been a church, a mosque, a museum, and now a mosque again, carrying centuries of history in its walls. Just across the square is the Blue Mosque, with its 6 minarets and breathtaking interior. Pro tip: dress modestly, come early, and take your time. This place deserves respect and patience. The Grand Bazaar, beautiful chaos. Then came the Grand Bazaar, and wow! Imagine over 4,000 shops, endless colors, spices, carpets, lamps, and voices calling out. Hello, my friend. Where are you from? Here's the rule. Bargaining is part of the culture. Smile, be polite, and enjoy the game. I picked up handmade souvenirs, Turkish lamps, and yes, I probably spent more than planned, but zero regrets. And don't rush. The magic of the bazaar is getting lost. Turkish food, a flavor explosion. Let me say this clearly. Turkish food deserves more hype. I started with simit, that sesame-covered bread ring you see everywhere, simple, cheap, and addictive. Then came kebabs, and not the fast food kind, juicy, spiced, grilled to perfection. But the real star? Baklava. Crispy layers, rich pistachios, soaked in sweet syrup. One bite, and I understood why people fly here just to eat. And of course, Turkish tea served in those tiny glass cups, shared everywhere, with everyone. The Bosphorus cruise, between two worlds. One of the most unforgettable moments of my trip was a Bosphorus cruise. In just one boat ride, I floated between Europe and Asia. On one side, palaces and mosques. On the other, modern homes and cafes. If you're visiting Turkey, do not skip this. Go during sunset. Trust me. Cappadocia, a dream on earth. Then I traveled to Cappadocia, and honestly, this place doesn't feel real. At 5 a.m., I watched hundreds of hot air balloons rise into the sky over fairy chimney landscapes. It felt like stepping into a fantasy movie. I explored underground cities, carved deep into the earth, where ancient people once hid for survival. And I stayed in a cave hotel, which sounds crazy until you realize it's one of the most peaceful sleeps you'll ever have. If you're into photography, romance, or once-in-a-lifetime experiences, Cappadocia is non-negotiable. Pamukkale, the Cotton Castle. Next stop, Pamukkale, also known as the Cotton Castle. White mineral terraces filled with warm water, looking like frozen waterfalls. Walking barefoot here is mandatory. And yes, it feels as surreal as it looks. Just above it sits Hierapolis, an ancient Roman city. History and nature, side by side. Turkish hospitality, the real magic. But let me tell you something. What truly makes Turkey special isn't just the places, it's the people. Strangers invited me for tea. Shop owners shared stories. Locals helped me navigate without expecting anything back. Turkish hospitality is real, warm, and unforgettable. Practical travel tips. Here are a few quick tips if you're planning your trip. Best time to visit: April, June, and September, October. Currency: Turkish. Lira cash is still king in many places. Getting around. Public transport is affordable and efficient. Dress code: modest in mosques, casual elsewhere. Safety: generally very safe. Just stay aware like anywhere else. Why Turkey stays with you. Turkey didn't just give me memories, it gave me perspective. A place where past and present live together. where cultures blend, flavors explode, and every street tells a story. If you've ever dreamed of a destination that offers history, adventure, food, and soul, Turkey is calling. This is Travel Tribe TV Studio, and I'll see you on the next journey. Until then, keep exploring. Have fun while you're on it.